All right. What up, everybody? Super excited. Gonna give you guys a quick update on Casper. Okay. Casper with the amazing breakout. All right. We were looking at this symmetrical triangle pattern. All right. And we got a very clean breakout to the upside. We entered our previous supply zone, right? So what these are is these are areas where there was previously in the past a supply imbalance on the token. All right. And we can see here that we topped out around this level, nothing but wicks up to the top. When you see these wicks up here, that's selling pressure. Okay. We blew past the previous supply zone, okay, from over here. All right. And we're actually testing it as support. All right. So over here, we have our previous supply zones in the past. All right. And we were able to blow through those. Okay. And what you do is you look for old supply zones to create new demand imbalances. All right. So we're going to look and see if we can hold support in this level. All right, that's going to be bullish. And we can look for a three-wave move to the upside back into the supply zone. All right. And if we break these levels, then we could come back down to test 0.03241 and the other levels below. Now, that's not the end of the world if we do break these levels. If you get a nice bounce here, all right, towards the top of this trend line, all right, that's still bullish. Okay, that would be what's known as a retest. So you come up, come down, you retest to look to go higher. All right. Now, if you're new to TA and new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be giving you guys really good buy and sell signals based off of the technical analysis. Right now, it's not financial advice. I'm just going to, go over how you can use certain indicators to give yourself a buy signal. All right. The first one we're going to look at is our MACD. All right. This is the moving average convergence divergence. And what you want to see is the blue line is going to give your signals, right? So when the blue line crosses below the orange line, that's a sell signal, right? So we see a supply imbalance up here. We get a sell signal and there's a sharp move to the downside. All right. Ultimately dropping as low as about 0.025. And then what did we get? Shortly afterwards, we got a buy signal on this candlestick right here, just under 0.0269. All right. That was our buy signal. And we came up. All right. We did pull back, but the blue line stayed above our orange line. This means that we're still green to go in the play. The last update I did on Casper, I said the MACD has now gone above zero. This is bullish. We could see some more bullishness in the future. And I went ahead and gave this chart pattern where you're going to look for the breakout to the upside. All right. The other signal there was a bullish divergence. Okay, so take a look here where we have a low and a lower low. All right, and then we're going to look at our relative strength index. This shows you the strength of a token based on its current price levels, right? So if you're seeing the price go down, but the relative strength index is actually going up, right? We had a low, we had a higher low here, right? And we held that trend line very nicely and bounced off of it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so we are keeping a hold of that bullish divergence trend line. And again, I was saying, that's a nice little indicator that we may see some further bullish activity because we're holding this trend line and keeping the bullish divergence momentum going. All right. So that's it for today's video. I do viewer requests every week, so make sure to let me know what cryptos, what stocks, what strategies, things like that you want me to make, and I'll be happy to do it for you as soon as I can.